Hi everyone, welcome to a condo project that seems to have it all. An address right on Sukhumvit Road next to the BTS SkyTrain. The most comprehensive and impressive facilities you'll see. And most importantly, rooms with great, sensible layouts that optimize maximum furnishing potential. We start our tour in this really impressive lobby with its timeless metropolitan design and its high, voluminous ceilings. Yes, I used the fancy word. And I just want to point out that I was really impressed with the size of this place. This is in the middle of downtown Bangkok, and it's very rare that a condo that was newly built will have this massive scale. This place is so massive that they're able to put in this curved staircase that gives you that majestic lobby room kind of feel. Downstairs leads to the parking and upstairs leads to the resident zone. We're now on the 7th floor facilities that starts with this open air lobby. And when I say open air, we're talking 28 floors high. And that's because this condo is one of the very rare few that features a single corridor layout. And that means your neighbor opposite you is going to be on the other side of the condo instead of right across from the hallway. And that's going to be great for your privacy. The 7th floor also has this nice grass lawn area where you can just kick off your shoes and enjoy the grass in your feet like I'm doing here. And back there is a barbecue area that you can enjoy with your friends. And back there is that beautiful glass house that we did the video introduction at. And you can book that with the application for your own social functions. This here is the library facility that you can book for yourself via the condo's application. And you can use this for your own business meeting or your kids' tutoring session, overlooking that gorgeous view of the glass house. The room in the 7th floor facility area that I'm especially impressed by is this dining area where you can have a chef's table, entertain a large crowd. They can all lounge around while the chef you bring in, whether it's a chef that you know or the condo's concierge service, can recommend chefs. Everything's well stocked for them. You've got a wine cooler here, a fridge, plenty of counter space to prepare food. You've got premium appliances by German brand Miele, induction, and also a vent right here, an oven, as well as a coffee machine. And once your guests are done with their aperitifs and the food is ready to be served, you can have your luxurious private dining experience on this large dining area that fits up to 12 guests that overlooks that lawn outside. Welcome to the fabulous spa area where you can have your own private pedicure and manicure session, makeup session right here to prepare for your next red carpet gala event. You can also lay back here to have your hair washed. And on a day off that you just want to relax, you can call in your favorite masseuse who can give you a luxurious treatment right here with that great view in the back. Why do I have a feeling the ladies are gonna love this room? This condo comes with its own private screening room that you can book and watch whatever movie you want. Or, I highly recommend you just marathon the Jed Gunther YouTube channel so that you can be a much better real estate investor. And we're now at a 76 square meter, 2-bedroom corner unit on the 14th floor that's asking 25 million baht. And the standout feature of this layout type is the open plan living room facing that sunrise. You've got an island kitchen. The secondary bedroom and bathroom are over here on this side, while the master is right over there. Remember that this is a corner unit, and therefore the master bedroom gives you a northeastern view. And what I love is the spacious walk-in closet, as well as the sexy bathtub. But on nights that you may not be feeling so sexy and want some privacy, you can just go in here, press this smart button, and voila, we can no longer see your bubble bath. This is a very sensible and therefore popular layout type because the two bedrooms are on opposite ends of each other for privacy reasons. And what's great about this is you can access the bathroom and then come out to the kitchen as such. We're now on the 40th floor sky pool area, and what's very rare and unique about this condo is that it is a 360-degree wraparound pool. So you've got the casual lounge area for the not-so-serious swimmers, but as you turn the corner, you'll find that there's different kinds of pool layouts. There's a more shallower pool for lounging around. There's a kids pool. But for those who take their swimming very seriously, you have this 20-meter lap pool that faces the east side. So if you're very diligent to get your swimming in the morning, you get to enjoy that beautiful sunrise as you're doing your laps. Here's another two-bedroom layout for you to compare. This time, it's a 83 square meter north-facing unit on the 27th floor that's asking 28 million baht. Same kitchen island layout, but the advantage of this type is much larger living space, but also the two bedrooms are grouped closer together on this same side. Now, for some people, they might not want two bedrooms right next to each other for privacy reasons. Very understandable, but some people, the people that go for this type, what they would do is they may instead turn it into an office or just take down the walls entirely and have a giant bedroom where they can have a walk-in closet. Welcome to the 41st floor workout area, brought to you by Techno Gym Premium Equipment. You've got free weights, pulling station. You can do some hardcore boxing, as well as some deep stretching and relaxing yoga sessions. And that faces the north of Bangkok. The cardio section of the 41st floor gives you a south-facing view where you can see the Chao Phraya River, as well as the green lung known as Bangkok. A lot of you guys I know are gonna love this golf simulator room, which I'm really dreading right now, because it's gonna give you accurate feedback on your performance, and I have not used the driver in 10 years. So you're gonna see how, and it's gonna show you how accurately I suck. So let's do this. Yeah! You like that 143-yard drive? Now this is something truly special. A 143 square meter, 3-bedroom corner unit on the 38th floor with a sunrise view from the living area, with your master bedroom on that side over there and your 2 bedrooms over on the opposite end. Asking price of this amazing unit, 58 million baht. Comes with an open plan show kitchen with an island for entertaining your guests, plenty of storage space, fridge, induction stove, and also comes with a work kitchen in here. The northeastern facing master bedroom comes with a full-on walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom features double vanities, and a bathtub overlooking the Bangkok cityscape. On the opposite side of the unit is the second bedroom that you can also turn into an office facing that full-on sunrise view with a corridor bathroom right here. And to the very end, you have the third bedroom with a beautiful view from the 38th floor, and it comes with its own ensuite bathroom. And I would be remiss if I didn't show you the only penthouse unit left in this entire project. 234 square meters of full bare shell potential, northeastern facing view, going for 120 million baht. So if you're interested in this condo project or any other property in Thailand, you can see the link in the video description or go to jetgunther.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I wish you all the best in your real estate journey. Oh my goodness.